Today we are going to see 9th Standard Science Lesson 1 Measurements Book Back Question and Answers. Answer very briefly. First question, define measurement. Answer, measurement is a process of comparison of the given physical quantity with the known standard quantity of the same nature. Second question, define standard unit. Answer, unit is a quantity of a constant magnitude which is used to measure the magnitudes of other quantities of the same nature. Third question, what is the full form of SI system? Answer, International System of Units. Fourth question, define least count of any device. Answer, least count is the least measurement possible in a given device. It is the distance moved by the tip of the screw for a rotation of one division on the head scale. Least count is equal to pitch by a number of head scale divisions. Fifth question, what do you know about pitch of screw gauge? Answer, pitch of the screw gauge is the distance between two successive screw threads. It is measured by the ratio of distance travelled on the pitch scale to the number of rotations of the head scale. Pitch is equal to distance travelled on the pitch scale divided by number of rotations of the head scale. Sixth question, can you find the diameter of a thin wire of length 2 meter using the ruler from your instrument box? Answer, no, I cannot find the diameter of a thin wire of length 2 meter using the ruler. Next, answer briefly. First question, write the rules that are followed in writing the symbols of units in SI system. Answer. First point, units named after scientists are written in lower case. Example, Joule, Kelvin and Newton. Second point, symbols for the units are always written in lower case. Example, M, kg and S. Third point, however, the symbols for the units derived from the names of scientists are written in capital letters. Example, capital C for Celsius, capital N for Newton and capital J for Joule. Fourth point, symbols are not followed by a full stop. Example, 75 centimeter and not 75 centimeter dot. Fifth point, symbols are never written in plural. Example, 100 kg, not as 100 kgs. Second question, write the need of a standard unit. Answer, a standard unit is needed to maintain uniformity in measurements like length, weight, size and distance. Example, standard unit of length is meter. Third question, differentiate mass and weight. Answer, serial number 1, mass, fundamental quantity. For the weight, derived quantity. Second point, mass has magnitude alone, scalar quantity. Weight has magnitude and direction, vector quantity. Third point, it is the amount of matter contained in a body. Weight, it is a normal force exerted by the surface on the object against gravitational pull. Fourth point, for the mass remains the same. Weight varies from place to place. Fifth point, mass is measured using physical balance. Weight is measured using spring balance. Sixth point, mass unit is kilogram, for the weight unit is Newton. Fourth question, how will you measure the least count of vernier caliper? Answer, least count or LC is the minimum reading or value that can be measured with a measuring tool or device.